Hey there, Quiz Masters. Welcome back to my channel. It's Guess the Indian Food Part 2. If you have not watched the first part of this challenge, then make sure to watch that too. This challenge has 50 delicious Indian foods from street to regional level. You have to guess 50 questions in just 5 seconds. Can you guess all 50 right? But before that, make sure to subscribe my channel. Let's start with the easy level. Can you name this famous Gujarati dish? Yes, it's thepla. Now name this popular food. Jeera aloo. Now name it. Papad. Guess this popular street food. It's misal pav. Can you name this Indian sweet? It's barfi. Name this famous Gujarati dish. It's khandvi. Comment below. This Indian sweet? Imarti. Name this food. Naan. Now name this dish correctly. It's kachori. Look closely and name this food. Chole kulche. Comment. Which Indian food is this? It's Rajasthan's dal bati churma. Look closely and try to name this sweet. Moti chur ke laddu. What is this? Very good. It's zarda. Can you name what it is? It's Manchurian. What's this called? It's cham cham. Now let's level up to medium and guess 15 Indian foods. What's this called? It's sweet balushahi. Now try to name this. Firni. Now name this popular dish. Sarson da saag and makki di roti. What's this popular Himachali food? It's Siddu. Look at the picture and name this food. It's dal dhokli. Name it. Nice. It's gajak. Now try to name this. Sevaiya. Can you name what this is? Khakra. Name this food. Mango pickle. Guess this. Now you got it. It's Kaju Katli. Guess this South Indian dish. It's Rasam. Guess what is it? Malpua. Can you name this food dish? Sambar rice. Name this Rajasthan sweet. You got it. It's Ghewar. Which Bengali sweet dish is this? It's Mishti Doi. Let's move to the hard level and guess 20 Indian foods. We'll take a look and name this food. Undhiyu. Which Indian food is it? Amras. Guess what is it? It's spring roll. Which Indian food is this? Mohan Thal. Name this. Mishri Mawa. Look closely and try to name this. Correct, it's Shrikhand. Now try to name this. Jalebi Fafda. Name this sweet. Nice, it's Rasogulla. Now what is this? It's Rabdi. Now tell me, what's its name? It's Pakode. Tell me its name. Correct, it's Puran Poli. Comment, what Indian food is this? It's Aloo Puri. What Indian food is this? Fried rice. Name this. Pinni. Now this one. Corrected. It's jeera rice. Do you know what Indian sweet this is? It's the delicious besan laddu. What's its name? It's bundi raita. Now name it. It's milk butter. Can you name what this is? Masoor Pak. Guess the last one. It's Pan. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more fun challenges.